stuff.
Good thing it wasn't a whole day, you know.
Oh, that'd have been disappointing.
I got enough though, even if I gotta just turn that one into shorts. But the part where it turns out like that, I'll just stop it.
Yeah.
It's okay to have one video that way.
Right.
Plus it can be shorts, like I said again. There's a new trendy park, Curtis Jones Park. Looking very nice.
Yes, it is.
I like this. This is like Zone 8 they call it. This part of Detroit, it's an older area.
Is it?
Yeah. It's like the almost, it's like, ooh, shoot, I'm right over the camera. It's like the old Westside. Because, I mean, it's still considered the Westside, but then you got like Brightmoor and shit that's real far, so that's the real Westside now. This is the old Westside. I like these houses. Oh, because look, there's a company redeveloping these all. At least they're keeping the real houses, you know.
How the hell do they? They've got to be fake flowers.
Yeah, they are.
It's kind of cool though.
But that's cool. This whole thing's being redeveloped by like a company.
Yeah.
So instead of all these houses being torn down, they're being saved. Look how nice this one is. Wow. It's for sale.
It's beautiful.
A few for sale on this block.
It's beautiful.
Dang, this is
I looked at me when I said that. It's beautiful.
That's fine. We're looking for houses for some stuff. I want to get these.
We're rent coming soon.
Look at this one for sale. Or for rent. Which is it?
That one over there is rent. This is
all
rent
right,
too.
Drive a little slower. Go ahead, drive.
Rent.
Just hope it's probably from the people that are redeveloping it.
Yeah.
All right, stop right here. Teaspoon, little J. Look at this one. That's like a 6-family home. You see how goes? You can fit 6 people in there. This is a nice block. Cool. I like this block.
Yeah.
This is an older rustic home, but I'm glad they saved it.
Right. All side windows going in this house.
Oh, it's cold. Yeah.
Turn the heat on.
Alright, go slow. Let me try to get all of these.